My name's Dr. Tiff, well, that's what my clients call me at least, and I am a performance nutrition specialist. What really inspired me was having grown up an athlete myself, having built so much of my identity on how I performed, the achievements, the successes. It was so important that we build our identity, our worth, our confidence on an unshakable foundation and not on the things we do and the accomplishments that we accumulate over time. I have been working on a passion project for over a year, a book for preteen girls, and as a companion to that, I approached Vyten to build me an app so that the girls would have some community, have a place to access digital content of the book, and just an ongoing resource for them as they continued on their journey to better health and better community. An app was so important for this audience because if you look around, they're always on their phones. It's a digital community, it's a digital age, and I wanted to meet them where they were, but I also didn't want to drive them to social media. So I wanted to offer them an option that I felt like they could really relate to, but that I could also control the content of what they were seeing. I chose Vyten because, number one, I love Vincent. He made it easy, they made it easy, they were super receptive to questions, they were walking me, hand-holding me through it. To be honest, it was more cost-effective than I ever thought an app could be, so that was really helpful for me, and just feel like I could really provide my community and my book a resource that was unique and different. Working with Vyten, it was just, I felt like very accessible. The questions were answered quickly. They had a lot of great resources. They had several calls ahead of time to walk me through the process and map out what was needed. There's also ongoing support, which I really liked. So every month I can have ongoing support. But I also like that I have full autonomy, that I can actually go in there and add content, change things, swap out images, or just feel like I still own it. I knew it was gonna be awesome when I saw the little icon on the Apple Store and I looked at my phone and I was like, that's my app. I have an app. So just clicking on that little icon and it opening and just seeing it come to life and making it a reality and all of the characters, and they did a great job of infusing my book, the way, the feel, just the language that I wanted to use. So I also really appreciated that they did some homework to make it what I needed it to be. Having your own app, it's just like, to me it was an untouchable something, and now I have it, just this custom app that is in the App Store that everyone can access. It has its own little icon that's gonna make an impact in the world. So I think for me it's just knowing that that's not just something big companies can do, but anybody can have their own app. When girls started downloading it or asking about it, seeing it in the book, scanning the little QR code that took them there, it just felt like I was offering them something more than just a book, that they were gonna have connection, that they were gonna be able to get push notifications with Bible verses and recipes and just really engage with the content of the book. As an author, I think having an app just allows you to have this ongoing connection with your readers and even add to, the book is written and it's out there, but with the app, I can continue building on it and see what my audience wants and connect with them on a different level. The app, I don't know where it's gonna go. I think there's huge potential. I think we could have more podcasts, we could have more categories of content, more recipes, more opportunity for interaction. So I see such a great future of this app being a place where girls can come and they can feel safe and they can connect and they can access resources. Would I recommend Vyten? Oh, absolutely. There's no question. It was an enjoyable process. It was an exciting process. It was a seamless process. And they really help you walk step by step into creating your own app.